Welcome, Leo. This is your general reading from July 28th to August 3rd for love and career. This is a general reading. For a more personalized reading, the details are in the description box. You can get in touch with me. And let's first check the cards for your love life from July 28th to August 3rd. So let's see. Forgive and release. Okay, you are stronger when you carry love and forgiveness rather than anger. So, you may be feeling resentment towards someone from your past, or maybe someone towards your present. So just let it go. Just release that energy with forgiveness. Don't look at that situation with anger. Just try to let it go. That's what the card is saying. Take a leap of faith. Only when you're willing to step out of your comfort zone will you reap great rewards. So, this could also be for some of you inviting new love in your life. You may be hesitant because of what you've experienced in the past, but the card is telling you to take that leap of faith, kind of trust the situation, try to trust the process. And the final card is reaching your goal. Everything you want from this connection will manifest in the near future. So, whatever you want will come to pass. So, really rely on your inner wisdom, on your own personal energy, you know. So, yeah. So let's pick three cards for the past, three cards for the present, and three cards for the future as far as your relationship and the person on your mind is concerned. There's so much honking outside. I don't know whether you can hear it, but I can definitely hear it. Four of Wands in the past. The Chariot. Hope. Two of Wands in the present. Seven of Wands in the present. The Five of Pentacles. The Hermit in the future. The Six of Pentacles in the future. And the Empress in the future. So, you come from a place of great stability, and you have hoped for what you are experiencing now. But somehow the situation is causing you a little bit of burden, whatever situation you are in your love life, in with your relationship, is causing you a little bit of burden, and you're kind of losing hope in the present, kind of looking away from all the good things that are happening in the relationship. So, like the card said, you have to forgive and release. You have to forgive, because sometimes someone may say or do something which they didn't mean to, So, kind of release that hurt and pain. In the future, you've got the Hermit, the Six of Pentacles, and the Empress. So, good times are ahead for you. Look inward, look manifest whatever you want in your reality. It will come to pass. So hope for the best. Okay, and let's clarify each of these cards with three cards. So let's clarify the Four of Wands. The Four of Wands is a card of a great relationship that, which is what I said. You've come from a place of great stability. In the past, you've experienced great stability. This is your reading from July 28th to August 3rd. So, Leo, you've got Justice. You've got Page of Wands, Page of Swords, and Ace of Cups. So for many, this could be the beginning of a new phase, a new phase or a new love. You're definitely talking to someone. You're definitely talking to someone. The Chariot is clarified by the Ten of Wands, the Five of Pentacles. You've got the Five of Pentacles twice, and the Emperor. So this control that you want over the situation, and this surge of energy that you have to move forward, is kind of being met with roadblocks, and you're kind of losing hope. Hope is clarified by Ace of Wands, Seven of Swords, and Nine of Cups. So the cards are asking you to kind of, let go and manifest the future, because the person may be right, but the timing may not be right, or the situation may not be right. So the person seems to be right. Yeah. The Two of Wands is clarified by the Seven of Pentacles, the Seven of Cups, and the Eight of Swords. So you're not able to gain clarity about the future, where this is headed, where this is going. The Seven of Wands is clarified by the Four of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Six of Wands. So going forward, you're going to reap in the fruits of your labor. So like, create the causes right now, create the right causes right now in your relationship. The Five of Pentacles is clarified by the Star, the Hermit, and the Hangman. So, Leo, this gives me the feeling that you are hoping upon hope. Despite enough not working for you, you are kind of hoping for the best despite that. That's the energy I'm getting. The Hermit is clarified by the Three of Cups, the World, and the Queen of Cups. So you definitely have a lot of love for this person, or this person has great deep emotions for you that you can feel, the Six of Pentacles is clarified by the Wheel of Fortune, the Page of Cups, and the Devil. So expect to spend some good times going forward this week from July 28th to August 3rd with this person, Leo. There's definitely chemistry, definitely attraction, and definitely, a phase, a unpleasant phase is coming to an end. Okay, the Empress is clarified by the King of Cups. So this could be, you guys could be the talk of the town. The Strength, and the Empress. The Empress is clarified by the Empress. So a lot of emotions, a lot of hope for this relationship. Okay. Let's pick the cards for your career. We'll pick 3 cards in the past, 3 cards in the present, and 3 cards in the future, and we'll clarify 3 cards with 3 cards. So let's see what the cards are saying for your career, Leo. You've got the Five of Pentacles. You've got the Hermit. This is for this week, the coming week. And the Four of Wands. In the past, you have the Page of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, and the Chariot in the present. And the Empress, and the Hanged Man, and hope in the future. So yeah, the cards are actually good. You have faced some kind of loss, of hope, maybe loss of a dream, loss of a goal in your career. This week going forward is asking you to be more practical and to actually communicate those practicalities with those you work with, and also to be helpful. And going forward, things are going to be good, as shown by the Empress, the Hangman, and Hope. Things are going to be good. Let's clarify the Five of Pentacles, the Hermit, and the Four of Wands with three cards. The Seven of Wands, the Chariot, and the Lovers. So when you face this roadblock, whatever it was in your career that you looked away from, you didn't give up. You kind of really took on the challenge, Leo. And you being you really took on the challenge. And right now, this week, you're like forging ahead. You're kind of forging ahead from that loss. There's a lot of energy. There's a lot of commitment to your goals. Okay? The Page of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, and the Chariot is clarified by the Six of Cups, the Five of Swords, and the Emperor. You might be feeling that you're kind of losing control over a situation, over a project, over a goal, over a dream with whoever you work with or with a business partner. And there could be some unpleasant conversation or some dispute regarding it, So you feel that you're kind of losing control, with someone you've been working with for quite some time. And the Empress, the Hanged Man, and Hope is clarified by the King of Swords, the Queen of Swords, okay, and Judgment. Okay, these cards show that as far as your practical goals are concerned, as far as your practical thinking is concerned, rather, your rational thinking is concerned about your dreams, you're going to harmonize going forward this week. You're going to harmonize, you're going to gain more clarity, and you'll probably, put all your plans on the table, and discuss them. So that was your reading for career, Leo. Let's check what the wisdom of the Gitas is for you this week from July 28th to August 3rd. Okay, you got the same thing. Source of everything. So, so this card talks about the interconnectedness of life. There are many facets of life. There are many embodiments of life, that we see in our environment. And it talks about that divine source of everything, the interconnectedness of everything. So this card actually talks about asking you to bring in balance and harmony with the various facets of your life, the various elements of your life. So thank you, Leo. This was your reading for this week from August 28th to July 3rd. If you want a more personalized reading, the details are in the description box. Like I said, this was a general reading for this week for Leo. And of course, feel free to leave comments. Most welcome. I will interact with you. And I look forward to next week's reading. Thank you.